So here is how you can download fonts to your Capcut editor app. So what you want to do is head on over to a search engine and then find the font name that you want to download. So I'm going to just type in Mr. Beast font because I want to download the Mr. Beast font. I'm going to head on over to the font. This is a font downloader where basically you can download fonts completely for free. I'm going to click on that right over here. And then so once the pages load, as you can see, this is the Mr. Beast font. It is called Comica Axis. So then now you're going to be looking for a button that says download. However, if your website cannot find a button that says download, simply remember the name. Mine is going to be Comica Axis. So I'm going to type in Comica Axis in the search bar again. Now you just basically want to go through these websites and look for one that has a download button completely for free. So right over here, as you can see, download TTF. So I'm going to click on download that. Now it says file has been downloaded. So then from here, what you want to do is go into your files in your phone and then simply find downloads right over here. So then you want to click on Comica Axis, which is the font that you just downloaded, and then simply click on extract all at the bottom. Or it might say unzip for you, just click on that. So then click on extract to download. Extracted successfully. Once that has been done, simply go back into your Capcut. So then from here, you want to click on text, add a text. Hello, you have to say something like that. And then from here, you want to click on font, add a font, and then click on the plus icon on the left-hand side. Then now you want to click on upload file. So then from here, you want to click on downloads. Right over here it says Comica Axis, which is going to be the font that we just downloaded. Click on that one, and it says font uploaded. So now, as you can see, if we click on the Comica, there you go. We have just downloaded the Mr. Beast font.